I know who set the rule and I take dreadlocks out of school. See, if you read Numbers chapter 6 verse 5, it says, "You shall be holy and let the locks of his hair grow." Black people think our identity. See, if you read Leviticus chapter 20 verse 13, it says, "If a man sleep with the next man, him shall it, but of them can stay in the school system." See, but the dreadlocks must go, just like how they take the Bible out of school. I want them man run the school system now. See, I want to go on to the place I get fishy, you know. You saw me and say, "Oh, you're going to take dreadlocks out of school." I want to depend. You know, that's what I'm telling you, black people, we need to own a thing, you know. Africa thing. Maybe we need to get take out of the school. See, because the Rasta man not going to learn about the white man thing. You know, because we not learn about our story. You ever see the polar bear teach a lion, or the lion teach a polar bear? See, you ever see the Indian teach a Chinese for them history, or the Chinese teach a Indian for them history? Why them have to teach we our story? What's so important about we, where them the want we for know? Somebody knows something about you, where them the want you for know about yourself. Because before them can come up with them, line, or them have get it from the truth and the truth of Africa. See? So yeah, so we have to learn our story. Because white supremacy, if you still have to depend on them for your job, if you still have to depend on them for your education, if you still have to depend on them for food, see, we're still a slave. You know them look away there, white supremacy. You know them way there. That's why them can set rules like this and get away with it. You know? So we need to own a thing. You know them way there. Yes, I.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan Unstoppable family. So people, couple topics for cover phone in this one video today. The first topic is Rygin King being paralyzed. For the past couple of hours, we hear all type vloggers on social media claiming that the entertainer has been paralyzed from his shooting incident a few weeks ago. Well, members of Rygin King's management team spoke out just recently and saying, listen, nothing no go so, the artist is not paralyzed and it is all rumors. Now, Rygin King team, even though they were being hush-hush on his present condition, but they only wanted to make everybody know, say, listen, the entertainer is not paralyzed and we want the rumors to stop being spread, right? That is what Rygin King's management team is saying. Now, whoever started this rumor, we don't know, but Rygin King's team is saying he is recovering okay. Alright, on to the next topic. Many persons has been upset about the little 7-year-old girl who was banned from school, and persons have said, listen, we don't hear the Rasta community speaking up about this, right? Well, Buju, a member of the Rasta community, has this to say.
So yes, once again, Rastafari is on a threat. We have come a far way, now to a point where even the herb league and everybody make a money off of it, but you still hamper our education and our children's ability to be educated in your schools. And I see that as discrimination, because you'd have never done that to a Jew and asked them to move, or a Muslim to remove their kufi, which would be religious discrimination. So why you want the Rastaman children and to trim them here when you refuse to give us our own schools to educate our children in the way that they should be educated? Because we refuse to be what you wanted us to be, you know. We can't be that anymore because our eyes are opening and the people's eyes are opening every day. So them background master judge and them look up Stisting and ism schism whoever go on a Jamaica fight against Rasta. Rasta for wake up and become industrious. Yes?
Now the thing about it, Buju Banton does have a point right there. Because them wouldn't do that to a Muslim. Them wouldn't do that to certain other religious entities, right? But them are do it to the Rastaman. What is it that the Rastaman's child should have to trim them here to gain an education? But Buju also say, yo, the world, the people is waking up. Some people still asleep. Sad to say, some people see the things right in front of them eyes and still not understand it, you know. Yeah, we just want to point that out. Think about it. But people, the next clip I want to take a listen to, it's serious. That brother here downtown in a Jamaica and the man life was spared simply because the killer wanted to be sure that it was him. Even though him phone still get robbed over from him same way, but at least them not take him life. People want to listen that little voice clip here and then talk to me in the comment section about it.
Boy, may I tell you, say, you may even know what kind of song this started, but just not too long a while ago, me get robbed. Like, take a taxi and come and parade this wait on a Portmore bus and same time I say a virgin, like I say two virgin walk past And like when I see them walk past again and like, you know, like them a try looking at my face. And then when I look, I see one of the youth them like walk past me and you know, me there I look around and I see where the bus there or whatever. Then when I look, I see one of the youth them just come over to me. I stand up there, I wait a little while. And like the youth say, like him say, morning sir. And I mean for disturb you know, but I can ask you a question. So I say, what that? So I say, if I work the police station at half a tree. So I say, no, me not police. So him turn to me and him say, yo, if me come from Waterhouse or if me used to live at Waterhouse, I say no. Him say, you know Damien from Waterhouse? So I say no. So him, in the same time him look for me and him say, yo, I not lie yo. Just a while ago, you know, I shoot me and my friend the dog I shoot you, you know, cause we get some info and we hear say, yo, you look like Damien, brother. And we just come up on the ends and see and like him I say, boy, my friend never did even want to talk to you. My friend did just want to shoot you straight, but he must say, yo, when I like the other youth, because I bleach out youth there and the man I say, yo, to be honest, when I see how you dress and thing, I say, yo, you look like a respectable youth, and me I say, yo, before me even shoot you, me I go just ask. You see me? And same time they didn't know I like me start laugh. Cause me I laugh and I say, brother, when I come from none of them place there. East my born and grow. You see me? And then same time the youth look for me and man I say, yo, so I say, you don't have nothing for you. You have 1,000 you have for you. Give me a wallet and your phone. So I start laughing and I say, oh, I joke this. A bumbuckler joke this. Same time I'm looking to the man because I'm pull out a 9 out time waist. And man I say, yo, nah man. Nah, make no joke, man. You see me? Man I say, yo, a simple thing, you know, is either you give me the phone or it will cost you your life. You see me? And same time as me hear him say, so I start thinking in my mind and I say, bumbuckler, I just left my little boy at the yard. You see me? And like, same time I just say, yo, brother, go easy, man. It's a simple thing for give you the phone. You see me? Just make me get back the SIM and the memory card in the phone and thing. And same time him just say, nah, I'm a reasonable man. And him friend take the phone and take out the SIM and give me the SIM and I tell you, say, you know, me in a town, you know. And other people stand up behind me, other people stand up in front of me, you know, and nobody nah say nothing, you know, everybody just a chill like a Sunday, you know, which are really Sunday. You see me and the man look for me and the man and say, yo, just know say, I never your phone me come for. I come for kill you. But I true the way you look, you never really look like no criminal or nothing like that. So that's why I'm deal with you upon that level there. You see me? And like, when I pray, I say, Friday, I get the phone, you know? Friday, I get the phone and get robbed Sunday.
Now people believe me glad at the phone him take and not him life. Because it could have gone worse. It could have been a situation where the man nobody walk up to you and ask you no question. The brother could have just take your life and just gone about him business. You understand? But you see it's a case of mistaken identity. You see that, people? Just like that, a man could have lose his life because of mistaken identity. This is the second situation like this where me personally know of, you know, when me hear of Jamaica, you know, remember, most of you remember, because we covered the story a while back, right, of the girl who stand up at the bus stop, right, and the man them go for her, see, and the brother just go ask her the question. Say if a she a so and make she understand, say yo, you know, say I come for you. You see what me I say? People, trust me. Enough of them things you go on in a little rock Jamaica, you know, where people are dead for things where them not even know about. People are lose them life innocently because of people take them for the wrong smaddy. You understand what me I say? This is a serious situation right here, so. But him just have to give thanks and be grateful, say yo, are the phone them take and not him life. And brother, me not gonna tell no lie. You shouldn't even hesitate and say, no man, a joke thing this. Yo, if any man them show you the thing, they say, yo, hear me, hold your phone here, my youth, your phone this in and my one again. Take it, go on. You understand? Because guess what? You can't get back another phone, but you can't get back your life. You understand what I say? It is just that serious. Watch on the man, people, talk me down in the comment section. Let me hear your thoughts, your views, and your opinion on this one. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.